Hi guys, I was asked to talk a few things about my history that have impact for code with the Python book that I'm co-writer. So I think that we could find two main things that impact for this book. First things, we have to be back to in the years 1990. So more than 30 years ago. I'm smiling a little bit because my son is standing just behind the camera. 30 years ago, together with my friends, I set up the company that produced the multimedia CD-ROMs. It was, of course, before the age of internet. So we produce a lot of content that we publish as a CD-ROMs. As far as I remember, the most popular titles was My First ABC, My First 1, 2, 3, the Encyclopedia of South America, the Encyclopedia of Second World War, and so on and so on. We sell a lot of pieces, about 20,000 of pieces across the Poland. So we was one of the biggest company that publish multimedia CD-ROMs in Poland. And then the second thing that has have impact for a book. A lot of mosquitoes around me because I am on a holiday in the south part of Poland, in the mountain. So it is why I'm a little bit tired. But be back to the main topic. The second thing that impact of the book is that the company that we set up during the internet age, together with my friend, we built a huge portal for kids, for teenagers, with a lot of puzzles, with a lot of games, educational games, and first on the first stage, this portal was very popular in Poland. And then we translate this portal into the French, Italian, Spanish, Russian, and English language. So it was the popularity grows rapidly, and it was very popular across all the Europe. Even the worldwide Time magazine write about this portal, and in the age of internet, we sell this portal to the one of the biggest portal in Poland called Virtual Poland. So it was second thing that impact for a present publication, for a present book, Code with the Python. And on the end, one and only, I would like to present you the Code with Python book, How to Build the Adventure Game. I think that this is a one and only, I have to underline it, one and only book in Poland and in Europe that in the foreground show how complicated is a process of building adventure games. So on the foreground you have to find the person who write the script, you have to find the person who to figure out the character, to draw the character, to make the animation, who write the music, who design the sound effect, and a lot of things. On the background, you have to choose the correct programming language. For example, it can be Python, as in our book, and you have to learn Python language, and it's become a process in the background. So on the foreground you build the game, and in the background you learn the coding language as Python is. And I think it's a brilliant idea that is main idea in the book. So I would recommend, strong recommend the Code with Python book, the How to Build the Adventure Games. It's a one and only title on the market, both in Poland and in the European Union. Choose the right book.